Hello everyone, welcome to RC Driven. Today's gonna be a very quick video. It'll be a quick unboxing of this Arrma Typhon. The real reason why I bought this car is because I saw Proline came up with a body for this, which I think looks really cool. And here's the body. It is, I have a picture of it. Basically, it's a Beetle body. And I know as silly as that sounds, the main reason why I bought this car is because I saw this body. So this goes and sits like that. Like, how cool does that look? So the reason why I wanted, when I saw the Beetle body, why I wanted it is because I also do monster truck racing, and for one of my monster trucks, I actually built a Beetle with a built one with a Beetle body. It goes for a / two-wheel drive. So this is it right here. So I did a Herbie paint scheme, and the goal I have for this body is basically the same paint scheme, same pearl white paint with the stripes that's gonna go over the roof and the 53. She's done painted. I've gone ahead and removed the masking tape for the windows. So yeah, usually once after you paint, you wanna give it like 10-15 minutes and remove the window masking cover, the masking tapes. Reason to why is if it completely cures, some cases when you try to remove it, it can take the paint from the body off too. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this cover now and see how this actually turned out. So the goal was always to make a mini version of this. So far, so good. Not bad. So now we put numbers on it. Look at that. I think that came out really nice. A lot better than I thought it would. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm so happy with the way it came out. Body's done. It has the brace or the mounting. The way it works is, you use this to release it. You push this piece back, release it. That's how it works. Just because they use one finger from either side, and that's how you release it. So when you put it on, slides in here, the same place where this old one used to slide into, same place. Slide that in there, and then you just align the sides. There you go, in there. Push it forward, that's it. That's all. So when you want to release it, you put your hand here and you put your finger in here, and that little tab that's there, you push back on it, and that's it. That's how it comes off. So this is done, that's it. Body is done. I love the way it turned out. It's all done now. I haven't done anything else. It's just it's bone stock. I just changed the body. As much as I don't want to scratch this or dirty this body, we're gonna find out what the top speed is and how she handles in the dirt. See you guys on the track.